From around the world, more than 500,000 pounds of station hardware is moving from the factory floor to the launch site. The Italian Space Agency has manufactured the Leonardo Multipurpose Logistics Module, the first of such modules that will serve as the station's moving van, carrying laboratory racks, experiments, and supplies to and from the station aboard the Space Shuttle. From Canada comes the Space Station Remote Manipulator System, or Robot Arm. The next generation in robotics, the station arm will have unprecedented flexibility and strength and will be a valuable tool for station construction and maintenance. The arm was recently delivered to the Kennedy Space Center for processing. A test article of the arm has been constructed at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas, to be used for astronaut training. The U.S.-built airlock is currently under construction at the Marshall Space Flight Center in Alabama and enhances the capability of astronauts to conduct spacewalks from the station. A segment of the 300-foot station truss has arrived at KSC and is undergoing launch preparation, with 4 more giant truss segments on the way. In Huntington Beach, California, tests are being run on the station's giant solar arrays. The complete station will contain over a ½ acre of such arrays, which will provide over 112 kilowatts of power for the complex. Under construction in Japan is the Japanese Experiment Module, recently named Kibo, the Japanese word for hope. The module will have the capability to conduct science experiments outside the station on an exterior platform. Kibo will have its own robot arm to assist in the scientific activities. From the European Space Agency is the Columbus Attached Pressurized Module, which expands the station's capability for science. Recently, at the Kennedy Space Center's Space Station Processing Facility in Florida, tests have begun on station components scheduled for launch within the next year. The station parts are connected by cables to verify that they work together well, looking ahead to the day when the components will be joined together for real in space, forming the International Space Station.